free or fee?
Right after this.
Cue the intro. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again. Brad here.
Kimberly?
And we're midlife crazy.
Yes, we are.
So we just finished our Cruise Tips 101 series, so we're going to be moving on to some other things. Today we're going to talk about free or fee.
Exactly.
What's free on a cruise ship, what's included in your cruise fare, and what will cost you a little extra
Cashish.
dinero
There you go.
on a cruise ship. So we don't only have these numbered,
Yes.
but we've broken them down into categories.
We're in categories, and Kimberly's going to have to wear her glasses. So here they go. Aha!
Beauty.
Of course. Thank you.
Beauty.
Thank you, honey. Look at my hair. Okay.
Isn't she amazing?
I look smart. No. Because I am.
Notice how my lips are not moving right now.
You know better. All right.
What's the first category?
First category is food.
Food.
Dun 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 dun. F double double O. No, F double O D.
We have not had anything to drink today, I promise.
Unfortunately, I could sure use one right now. No.
All right. So food, go ahead.
Food is our first category. And the first thing is free. Meals in the main dining room, buffets, and selected specialty dining spots such as Guy's Burgers, Blue Iguana Cantina on Carnival, Park Cafe on Royal Caribbean, International Cafe on Princess, Oceans on NCL, just to name a very few.
Yep. Those are all free and included in your cruise fare.
Now, yes, you have things like the buffet and the pizza and things like that are also, but we're talking like more like specialty kind of little hot spots on the ships.
Exactly. So, moving on to the fee portion.
Fee. Brad's doing the fee.
I do not need glasses.
Because he has contacts.
That's right. So, the things you'll be charged a fee for is specialty restaurants. So these are the finer dining establishments on the cruise ships. Fahrenheit 555 on Carnival, Cucina del Capitano, Sorrentino. Not Sorrentino's. Sabatini's on Princess. These are Italian restaurants. Teppanyaki on NCL. Those are specialty restaurants that will charge you an upcharge to dine, and those upcharges generally range between $25 to $50, right?
Yes. Now, Cucina del Capitano on Carnival is free at lunch.
Yes.
They have free lunch, but dinner...
It's kind of a pasta bar situation, though.
But dinner not. You have to pay a fee.
And I would suggest...
You go.
Paying the fee.
It's wonderful.
Because it's
we enjoy it.
Very, very, very good. The same thing with the Italian restaurant. I can't remember the name of it on
Royal
Caribbean.
I don't remember.
It was fantastic. So, also... As far as dining goes for fees, in the main dining room, you'll see on most menus, there will be items on there that you can pay a little extra money for. So if you want a real prime cut of meat or you want surf and turf or something like that, it's generally like a $20 fee, and they'll bring you surf and turf for a real fine prime cut of meat. And then the other thing that you will also pay a fee for on cruise ships as far as food goes is most of them now have like specialty ice cream shops that are outside of the normal ice cream machines.
Yes, that thing. The machine.
those things. Those machines with those things.
Frosty Freezy ice cream.
The Frosty Freeze ice cream machines.
Really.
So they've got like Royal Caribbean has Ben and Jerry's, and NCL I think has a gelato shop, and those are generally extra fees as well.
All right. Well, that covers the food category.
We're done with food already.
Done with food. Done.
Right.
Now we're moving on to drinks. So, drinks.
Leaves.
The free, I'm going to do the free, and Bradford's going to do the fee. And here we go. Tap water, not bottled, coffee and tea, iced tea, selected juices, punches, and flavored waters. Those are free. Sparkling wine or champagne may be offered at special events, such as the art auctions, shopping events, and cocktail parties. And most lines will let you bring wine, soda, bottled water on board, but check your cruise line that you're cruising on, because there are 2 that have some restrictions that we know about.
Yep.
Those are the free.
Those are your free items.
Free drinks.
Now, of course, your fee items.
Yes, fee.
Any alcohol that you buy at a bar
Yes.
or in a restaurant is going to be a fee.
Yes.
There'll be a fee associated with that. Bottled or sparkling water is also going to have a fee attached to it as well. Specialty coffees, like at Starbucks on Royal Caribbean.
Right.
I think that NCL also has Starbucks on board them as well. Smoothies, anything like that is generally going to cost extra. Virgin drinks are going to cost extra as well. So what you need to do is buy the drink package if you like to drink a little bit of adult beverages, because that will save you money.
Yes. Well, think about it. If you enjoy a cocktail or 5 a day, it's worth looking into the beverage packages.
Yeah, definitely worth looking, because with that beverage package, the majority of them, I don't say all of them, you also get your specialty coffees, your bottled water, energy drinks, Gatorade or Powerade, so your sports drinks. So most of them include that as well. So it's not just the alcohol portion of it, but like us, we'll have some adult beverages, but we really like to have coffee as well. So and the coffee on the ships is $5 or $6 a coffee, just like at Starbucks.
Exactly. So that makes more sense for us, is to buy the beverage packages.
Exactly.
All right. Now that we are out of drinks, let's move on to room service. What's free with room service? On most cruise lines now, there is limited free room service available, which includes your basic food options. More like a deli type option.
Yeah, mostly sandwiches and things
sandwiches,
like that.
French fries.
And that's all she's got to say about that.
That's it. I'm done.
Yep.
What's the fee part, honey?
So the fee part, I think we covered this in our last series a little bit too. The fee part now is most cruise lines have now either instituted a delivery fee.
Yes.
Right, for late night deliveries, because that's when people really like to eat. After a few adult beverages.
Yeah, maybe.
Right. Or they've instituted an a la carte.
A la carte?
A la carte.
It's an a la carte.
It's an a la carte. It's an a la carte. An a la carte charge for some of their food items, like Carnival. They've got the free side of the menu, and then they've got the a la carte where they charge.
And now some ships do that, like free delivery of pizza wherever you are on the ship. They'll
deliver wherever you are on the ship. They'll deliver
for
a pizza
like $5
to you
or
for
something.
$5. Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
But the reason, again, the cruise lines did this is because of the food waste more than anything, especially the late night. That's why most of these things are associated with late night dining, after 11 o'clock dining, most of them. So anyway, so a little bit of a change in the cruise industry there.
Well, moving on from room service, now we're going to go into the show.
It's a really big show.
It's a show.
It's a big show for those of you who knew Ed Sullivan.
What's free for shows? Well, let me tell you, free for shows, most main theater performances are free, as well as comedy shows and Royal Caribbean's Aqua Theater and ice shows. Most audience participations, event shows are also free, such as Love and Marriage Game, Hasbro, the game show on Carnival.
Yep, so those are all free. Most shows are free, but now on MSC and NCL, they both have Cirque du Soleil,
which is a fee.
Shows, which is a fee.
Yes.
So you have to pay. You have to pay a fee for those shows. And then, who is it? NCL has the Deal or No Deal game.
Yeah, I didn't know this until we were putting this information
together.
together.
So they have a deal, like the game show Deal or No Deal, where you actually get to participate and have a chance to
I want to do that.
win some money, but that costs $20 if you want to play.
Really? That's just like going to the casino.
Yeah, $20 if you want to play. So check your individual cruise lines as to what the shows are and if there's a fee associated with them.
All right, there's the fee for the shows. Now we're going to go on to onboard activities that are free. Trivia, pool game, big screen movies, dance classes, sports, deck events such as mini golf, ropes course, rock wall, basketball, all are free. Okay, I got it. That's just a few, and I hope you caught all of those.
And then there's also some other free stuff that you can do on the cruise ship right below.
Oh boy, here we go. Right below. Sometimes there are cooking demos, shopping tips, photography talks, port talks that are all complimentary.
Yeah, so lots and lots of stuff going on that's complimentary on the ship all the time. All you got to do is look in your guide there they give you in your room every night. It'll tell you every second of the day there's something going on on the
every
ship.
hour on the hour, if not half
That's
hour.
right. So,
what's the fee part, honey?
the fee part, these are the things that cost money. These are onboard activities that cost money. Bingo costs money.
Bingo.
If you wanted to go to the casino, it costs money.
That's me.
If you want to send your kids or your adult kids to the arcade, that costs money.
Okay.
And now on cruise ships, they've got escape rooms.
Oh, that would be so much fun.
They cost money. Golf simulators, those cost money. Laser tag on ships now. Go-karts.
Yes.
Right?
This is all costing money.
All cost money.
Movies. They have movies on some ships.
Yeah, they have like 4D movies on some of the ships now that cost money. Virtual reality simulators.
Right.
Those all are an additional fee. And, of course, on the new Mardi Gras for Carnival, which we'll be on.
The roller coaster.
I don't think we told them about that, actually. I don't think we told them that we're going to be on the Mardi Gras.
No, we got to give our update of our schedule and
Yeah,
stuff.
so we're going to be on the Mardi Gras for the U.S. inaugural. September 24th or something next year. So anyway, that's kind of a roller coaster. Next year, 2020.
2020. Yeah, 2020. Wow.
So there will be a roller coaster on that ship that goes around the top of the.
I'll be taping. I don't do coasters. Sorry.
So
no coasters
that's going to be an additional fee as well. So plenty to do that's free on ships as far as onboard activities, but there's also tons of stuff that also require an additional fee.
That was a mouthful. Wow. Okay, now going on to the spa. The spa. What is free at the spa? Is there anything free at the spa? Yes, let me tell you. Free at the spa is the steam and sauna rooms are free on most cruise lines. That's about it.
That's it as far as the spa goes. As far as what's not free in the spa, everything else.
Everything else.
Everything else. You want a mani-pedi, you got to pay. Massage, you got to pay. You want a facial, you want to pay. You want to use the thermal suites, you got to pay. Haircut, you got to pay.
Yep.
So we've given you this tip before. If you're going to have a spa treatment, do it on a port day or on the first day of the cruise.
And don't forget that they'll leave a card in your room with a discount for spa services. So take advantage of those if you would like to. I love to get a massage. I always love to do that. All right, our next category is fitness. What's free with fitness? Well, the use of the fitness center weights and cardio machines. Some classes like ab workouts or stretch classes are free. In addition, you can use the jogging or walking track, and the sports court area are also free of charge.
Okay.
Now, what is there a fee for fitness?
So for fitness, if you want to take any kind of Zumba class, TRX, spinning, yoga, Pilates, anything like that, they're going to charge you for those classes. And then also, if you want body assessment, they'll do that, or personal training. You can also pay to have that done as well in the fitness center.
That's a lot. Pool decks, free or fee?
Yeah, free or fee on the pool deck. Who would have thought there's anything for a fee on a pool deck?
Exactly, but we're going to let you know. On the pool deck, what is free? Free is the use of the main pool, including lounge chairs and hot tubs. Water slides, splash areas are free to use. Royal Caribbean's Flow Rider is free, and Carnival has its adult Serenity area, which is also included in your fare, but it's adults only.
So, she gave you the free stuff. Now, what is a fee on a pool deck?
What is a fee on a pool deck, honey?
So, Carnival has its adult area called Serenity, absolutely free. But there are other cruise lines that have adults only areas, and they charge you.
Ah.
Yep. So, Princess has their sanctuary. Celebrity has their lawn club alcoves. They charge you to go into these exclusive areas, and then you can rent private cabanas and all that good stuff. And Price-wise, it could be $100 a day or more
Wow.
for some of these. So it depends if you're in port or you're at sea.
Really?
Yeah, Carnival's going to do that too on their new
Wow.
ship as well. They're going to have an adults-only area where you have to pay a little bit of a
Premium, huh?
premium if you want to go there.
Well, we'll get into that more as it comes along.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now moving on to childcare. Free or fee? What is free in childcare? Free is most lines have some sort of kids club that is free, with group activities for kids generally from 3 to 17 years old.
Exactly. So Carnival has Camp Carnival, and Disney has
Camp Disney.
Camp Disney. Obviously, that's a more kids-driven cruise line, but so there are some fee-involved things when it comes to kids as well on ships. In-cabin babysitting, which I think we talked about in our last thing. So you can have an hourly fee, and they'll actually come and babysit your child right in your cabin.
Right.
And then there's also what they call like group late night babysitting, where the kids club will bring your kids in, and again for an hourly fee, they'll watch the kids in a group, a little bit later. I think usually it's about till 1 a.m.
Cool.
is what they do. And then sometimes on some cruise lines they'll do slumber parties for the kids.
That's cool.
And they break out these mats and everything, and they have like a little slumber party, an overnight slumber party for the kids. That is the fee or free or free or fee. It's one of those two.
Free or
letting you know what's included, and then what's going to be a little extra for you on the cruise ship as far as what's provided in your cruise fare.
so that you are prepared.
So you're prepared and don't get shocked when you go on the cruise line and they say, hey, this costs extra.
Right.
Because there's nothing worse than people think that a cruise line is all-inclusive, and it's not.
There's a lot included, but not everything.
But not everything is included, so
Right.
still the best vacation for your money.
Exactly.
So that's going to wrap this up. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell for the notifications. It looks like this. It's like that. Hit it so you'll get notified every time that we release a new video. We've been releasing videos pretty consistently every Sunday and every Wednesday, and we're actually going to try something new. We're going to release videos on Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Oh boy.
So we're going to see how that goes.
Don't forget to leave your comments below on giving us suggestions for our Halloween costumes for our cruise on the Princess in October.
Really?
Yes, really. Don't forget to also check out our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account. Our merchandise at Teespring all of those will be linked below.
Yes, they will.
Help us get to that 1,000 subscriber mark so we can do our giveaway.
We really want to give away that bag.
We
Right
really want to give away that Osmo and everything else.
Do you know why we really want to give away that bag?
Why?
Well, first of all, it's going to be a lot of cool stuff.
Yes.
Right? It's for people to take on their cruise, including that fantastic camera.
Wow.
But she said when that happens that I get to get the camera too.
No, I get to get the camera.
She said I get to get the camera too.
No, I get the camera. Also, once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, we'll be able to start our live.
Yeah, we'll start our live show at that point.
Yes,
So.
exactly. It's exciting. Lots of good things to look forward to.
Yes. So, we're going to sign off, head on out, mosey on down the road right now. We really appreciate you guys watching. We appreciate all of your support. You know what? If you find these videos informative, if you really like them, hey, share them with a friend.
Yes, or leave us comments below on topics that you'd like to hear about.
Yeah, we're always open to suggestion. We love interacting with all of you.
Exactly. I'm Kimberly.
I'm Brad.
And we're Midlife Crazy. Bye.
Bye.